Okay, I'm making this video about this 1988 Fiero because people have so many questions about it. These are Beretta GT wheels. Somebody's going to want those. This car has had a 3800 engine conversion, which is what its strength is. Being an 88, this is the best chassis for a kit car. So if you want to build a kit car like this one that I have over there, like I have that car for sale, which is a 1986 Fiero with a Cadillac 4.9. I've got that for sale. The DeLorean is not for sale. None of the other cars here are for sale. Please do not ask me about any of the other cars. So this car is for sale. It's got some kind of custom dash in it. I don't know what the deal is with that. I bought this car out of Oklahoma. I went and got it because of the engine conversion and the fact that it's an 88. Anybody who knows anything about these Fieros will tell you this is the best combo. Let me shut this. This is a two-handed operation. I gotta just put the phone down. It's impossible to do this otherwise. There we go. Okay. Car runs and drives fantastic. The strength of this car is really the engine conversion. As you can see, the thing runs and drives really good. Starts right up. Haven't started this car in like 3 months. So the gas in here is bad. I need to get some new gas for it. Windows do work. Has some custom gauges which do work. You can see the oil pressure moving. Can roll down the windows with these switches. Ow! It is so hot here in Vegas I can't touch the switch. Ow! This window works as well. Ow! It's 110 today, so forgive me. All right, air conditioner does not work. There is a compressor there, but it isn't hooked up. Car runs and drives really good. I don't drive the car because it doesn't have air conditioning. This is designed for somebody who wants to build themselves a kit car. So there's the car in all its glory. You're gonna wanna remove this body and the interior and use just the frame. Change these wheels, stretch the frame 6 inches. This would be perfect for, like, for instance, Ferrari Testarossa replica. Like that one's actually made out of a Trans Am. This car over here, which is also for sale, which is a non-stretched 86 Fiero that has the Cadillac 4.9 in it. There's only about 3 motors that people put in these cars, other than the original Iron Duke before the 6. This is a Cadillac 4.9 V8 that was put into this car. This car is a 3800. You can put an LS3 in the car, but you're talking about a $10,000 to $15,000 project if you do that. The reason I'm selling this car is because my plan was to build a Lamborghini kit car. I bought that other one over there you see with the Cadillac in it because I was going to refurbish that one. I wanted to buy a new body for about 10 grand and put it on this 88. But instead I ended up buying a completed car, which is in my shop. This is a complete 89 kit. Built on a non-stretched 86 Fiero, but I'm happy enough with it that I'm just gonna keep it. And since I have that car now, I've decided I'm not gonna build the other 2. So I'm selling those 2, I'm just gonna keep this car. That's why I'm selling. So if you wanna build a Lamborghini or Ferrari kit car or whatever other kind of kit car, this is not for somebody who wants to restore a Fiero. You know, the body's in relatively good shape if you wanted to sand it down and repaint it and redo the interior and everything. It's got a 3800, which ruins its original Fiero value, but as a custom car, makes it fantastic. So that's what this video is about. This car is located in Las Vegas. I think I listed it for $2,500, cash with a title from Oklahoma. Come and get it. I'll ship it if you really want. The windshield wipers are on. I don't know what's going on. That's the deal. If you want this other Lamborghini car, it's for sale as well. So I'm asking $12,000 for that car. It comes with a ton of parts, and $2,500 for this Fiero located in Las Vegas. Drive it home or tow it. Thing runs and drives. Everything works. It just doesn't have any air, and you're going to be roasting your ass off. All right, good luck.